Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to scan using HP LaserJet 500 scan to folder. It's going to be 500 MFP m525, right? Yeah, so okay, that's fine. So once you see that, that means this is the same printer we're going to use. So what's going to happen first, you got to have a folder first, and this thing has to be like already set up. So I'm not going to do the setup now, but I'm going to show you anyway something similar to that. So what I did, I did set this up already, but I'll show you how you can maybe try to set it up. But I'm not going to set it up, but my intention is to show you how to scan. Right, you got to give your machine what they call an IP first. But here, you know, I've got a folder. You go to this PC, I'm using Windows 10, yes. In this PC, I created a folder under C drive. That folder is called HP scans. Whatever you want to name it, it's here, you get me? So once you create a folder like that, you got to go and say, right click it and say properties. When you go to properties, then you can click on share, then you can click on advanced sharing. You can see there's a couple of things I'm not supposed to show you. I'm going to show you how to scan, but I'm showing you in case you maybe wanted to scan and all that. Okay, you can click that and say okay, which is okay. Then here you can click on share also, and you select whatever username you want to use here. You must have a username and password. If you don't have, you got to go to accounts and create one account. Then you give permissions to write and all that. Okay, then you share that is, which is fine. I did that, I'm just showing you. So after that, then I did do what they call I clicked on that folder and say send to. I sent to desktop, which is a shortcut where we're gonna get our stuff. So other settings, I think I'm gonna do a video later on how to set that up. So now I'm gonna show you how to scan. So there is nothing here in this folder. I'm opening the folder. Remember, we send it as a shortcut. There's nothing there, right? So but I'm gonna scan something, is gonna come there. So I'm going to the PC, to my printer. I'm getting this scan, right? I'm putting it here, and then I say scan, click on scan, then I'm gonna say scan to folder. If you set up scan to email, you can scan to email. So what you do here, you can say load. What do we load? We loaded administrator, which is okay. You can see, so you can touch this if you want to. Then you can also touch this again. Then you say send. Okay, it didn't work well. So what we say load. Okay, come on, load. Touch there. Okay, then you load. So when you click, you touch load here, load. Okay, we're gonna go back because that won't look so professional. Okay, click on scan, tap on scan to folder. Then what you do, you say load. It's gonna bring administrator, touch administrator, then say load. Okay, once you load that, it's gonna bring you that. You can say reception. That's the folder it's gonna send to, right? Then you say send. Once you say send, it's gonna scan. Okay, it was scanned. Saying it here. Clear job, cancel job, retain, whatever you wanna say. Do you want to do this cancel job? If you wanna cancel clear job, then say retain. You can say retain. Let's see what we have here. And in most cases, you can say that, let me see, file name, you can give a file, you can give, okay, let's do this. I want to give this name file another name. Can you come see, please? Okay, this one, the first one is here. We see what we scanned is here already, but we're going to scan another one to give it a different name. Okay, this different name, you say on file name, you can say Basonia. Gonna give it, I wanna say Basonia. Okay, if I say Basonia, I say okay here. Down's gonna be Basonia, then I say send. That means it's gonna rescan. Once that is done or fine, it will say retain job or whatever. I'm gonna say retain. Okay, then it came. So you can see we have Basonia there. I guess you see. So I can open Basonia. I promise you guys, when I get time, I'm gonna do another video on how to set up all of this. But so when I get time, I'm gonna show you that. But all you got to know is that you have to know a little bit of networking. Not much, but I'll show you. So this is a PDF I'm now trying to open. So it's taking time to open. This computer is a bit slow. Anyway, you can see this was a test print page which we did it, and it's very perfect, very good. I want to show you also it's the same thing here. It's the same thing, right? Yeah, well, that's it, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. So don't forget that you got to set this before you don't just scan. So what will happen to you, you're gonna just, first of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your router. We're using a router like this. Then you get what they call its common gateway. After getting that, then you go to settings. After getting settings, why are you going here? It's just to give your printer an IP. So you go to network. After going to network there, then you're gonna say embedded, then you say TCP, then you say IPv4, then after there you're gonna say manual. This is gonna be manual. Then you say IP address, then there you can see the IP address I gave to the printer. Subnet, you're gonna check on that. Also gateway, you're gonna check on your router. You give it the router. This is the router IP. This is the IP address you're giving to your printer. So when you check it there, you're gonna find it's gonna be there. So every time when I scan, this is the address for the printer. It has to look a little bit similar to your router. Then this is for the printer. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.